The national cartoonist behind the Muppets comic strip is working on a new masterpiece. Hannah McDonald shows us the illustrations he is now donating to hospital workers and patients, proving kindness isn't canceled.
Gilchrist started working on a drawing of Nancy for us earlier in the show.
Accomplished cartoonist Guy Gilchrist, known for the Nancy comic strip.
I've been drawing this guy over here for about 40 years.
And sketching Jim Henson's The Muppets is making people smile in a new way.
Baby Yoda wearing a mask and the Pink Panther. Did a drawing with Bugs Bunny thanking, all the doctors.
His pandemic-inspired drawings are now brightening up hospitals in Nashville and around the country after a doctor, who's also a big fan, reached out.
I grew up with Kermit. I grew up with the Muppets. These were characters that when I was growing up, every single time, I had a hard moment in my life, I looked to characters.
Dr. Karen Tsai is a physician in Los Angeles.
In hospitals, we don't have a lot of art, especially in the adults ward.
Her request was for a couple doodles of his iconic characters. What that led to is a completely new cast of players called the PPE Pals.
We feel so helpless, and yet we're not. All of us together, just being strong and being there for each other. That's what this is all about, and doing whatever we possibly can to help the next person.
Gilchrist and Dr. Tsai are hoping to make a PPE Pals children's book.
The morale is very low in the hospital, and people look at it and they say, wow, this is really cute, and it really changes people's perspective on what's going on.
The drawings are all online for kids, young and old, to print and color. In Nashville, I'm Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.
Awesome work, Hannah. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Those doodles are also helping spread the word about donating PPE and donateppe.com. The site also aggregates medical supplies for hospitals. I really want a copy of that one of you and Leland. That was awesome.
It was awesome.